Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, globally, Asian markets are doing extremely well, and again, it is mainly on the back of spectacular rally that we witness in US markets, especially Nasdaq closed into new highs, and we saw activity in commodities also. Crude again is trading above the levels of 76. Uh, Iron ore prices have again moved up and nickel prices have also gone up. So broader trend of commodities cyclicals is very strong. Again, when we went through with the sector specific performance, then financials did well in US markets. So that will help our markets also to move higher. And if we see our markets, then locally Nifty and Sensex was like under pressure when they opened at higher levels as compared to the previous close. Nifty opened around 15,750 780 levels, but from there all the way we saw one strong trend of profit booking. But the best part was that the market survived above the levels of 15,635, which was its previous lowest level on last Friday. So 15,635 acted as very good support. Market survived above the level of 15,600 and finally it closed around 15,700, which is equilibrium level for the market and on which we discussed many times in the past. So till the market is regaining the level of 15,700, it is in the hands of bulls. And today, if we see the uh, Singapore Nifty, then it is trading almost 100 points higher. Asian markets are supporting to the trend. So yes, we may see the levels of 15,800 at the opening. There is like a lot of selling pressure around 15,800 levels. So today, in case if we see the market is holding well above the mark of 15.8, then we should look for adding some long position. But the strategy should be to look for adding position only if there is any correction during the day. In case if we see any higher opening and around 15.8, then we should look for taking some profit on long position, and it is better to wait and to buy only if there is any correction during the day. We can keep final stop loss at 15,600 for all the long positions, and again we can expect 15.9 on the high side. The reason is because the market has spent nearly 27 days between this particular range, and now the market is entering into that interesting phase of make or break. So we may even see the levels of maybe 15.9 plus in the near term, because the market is holding well on the lower side and there is like activity in all cyclicals. We are seeing some profit taking in defensives like pharmaceuticals and IT companies. And for IT companies, if there is any further more weakness, then we should look for adding Infosys to our trading portfolio ahead of the result. But for other technology companies, we need to see that whether they are holding and how actually Infosys deliver the numbers. So based on that, we can take a call. From the financials, we like Bajaj Finance as well as we like ICICI Bank and Axis Bank with a trading perspective. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in. Have a great and nice day to all of you.